Hey everyone, I am back with task second from my Java internship at TechnoHacks. So in this video, I will show you how I built my first web application using Java Servlets. So in this task, I created a simple web app using Java Servlet API, Apache Tomcat as a server, and third was Ant build tool for compiling and deploying. So my servlet handled HTTP request and displayed a custom welcome message where when accessed via a browser. So let's see on the code how it shows. So first we have to clean and build the code. So here is code is clean and built by the system. So my task was simply to create a website where it will showcase as welcome to TechnoHacks. But I built a means I can say a advanced version where I made a simple web application where it shows like apply for internship, where they have to give their details, register for the internship according to the domain, and successful payment where you can access for the modules. So let's see the application how it works. So simply I have made from the Tomcat manager application as a server. So I created a username and password. So after creating a username and password, let's enter here. Okay, then after this we will go to a simple website where it will be showcased as welcome to TechnoHacks. So as I told, I made an updated version where I made an application simply to apply for an internship. So after here clicking for a internship, it will show the multiple domains of internship where a student or a person can apply for the internship to gain a knowledge. So like clicking here apply now. So here they have to enter their name. So I entered a name as Ram Ashish and his email ID as Raman. So this email ID, and here selecting his interested domain. So for example, his interested domain is backend developer, then getting next. So it will show the payment successful and the access module. So it will show the name and the person email ID and its internship. So the person email ID as the main part, which will help him her to access the module, which gives the complete knowledge and complete sheets of the internship during the tenure. So this was a simple application. Only the simple problem was in my creating a payment successful. Here I have to update it and develop here to make a payment option like in a mode of payment and in a safety way to make it secure. Then this was my web application, how it shows. So it was amazing to see how backend applications actually work from code to the browser. I learned about web architecture deployment and server client communication. So this was my first step into backend development and it felt great. If you are new to Java web development, start simple and build from there. So here you can see as I made a simple application. It was my first time, but I have done a simple error in some part of it, like in a payment part. But I tried to create it, and this was my internship journey where I done in a Java developer intern where I completed 2 tasks, and also I completed my here in this internship it was told to complete only 2 tasks, but I completed more than 2 tasks to enhance my knowledge and get into a new thing. So like here I created more 2 tasks, but I am unable to explain here. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much my audience. Bye bye.